Starting position for both is the same, lying on the abdomen or tummy, feet straight, heels together, and slowly start by bending the knees to their maximum. If possible, the heel should touch the hips. Then take your arms up and hold the ankles firmly. And then slowly lift your head up to your maximum. When you have lifted your head up to your maximum, then pull with your arms and lift the hips up. Try to keep the knees together and lift the body up. And the whole weight of the body should be only on the pelvic area, abdominal pelvic area. The thigh should be off the floor. Hold this as long as you can, breathing relaxed, and then slowly return to the starting position in reverse order. Let go of the legs, bring the hands beside the body, feet together, heels together, toes flat on the floor. Now we are going to demonstrate the ancient technique of Dhanurasana. There's a slight variation. Here we are going to start with the feet, knees bending as we did. Bring it to the hips. But now you are going to vary it with holding all the toes together in each hand with both the legs and pulling the legs up, bringing the head back like before, rotating the arms from the shoulder in front of the body, holding the toes, pulling the toes up so that you get further elevation as if the bow is stretched. In the final position again, your weight is only on the pelvic area and the body is stretched fully to your maximum. Breathing should be relaxed at all times. Hold as long as you can. When you can't hold anymore, slowly go in reverse. Bring the arms down, rotate the shoulders. Slowly let go of the toes. Put your head down, arms beside the body, palms up, knees together, feet on the floor, and body completely relaxed.